Albatross gliding with grace, sailing the skies in a wide open space. Bees for bluebird chirping so sweet, dancing on branches with tiny feet. C's for cockatoo feathers so bright, shouting and sparkling with pure delight. D's for duck with a quack and a waddle, paddling gently in garden puddle. E's for eagle proud and bold, soaring above with a heart of gold. F's for flamingo in lakes they stand, balancing neatly on one pink strand. Finch, yellow and small, slipping through meadows with a cheerful call. H is for hawk, flying so high, eyes like lasers in the open sky. I is for ibis, sleek and white, wading through marshes from morning to night. On treetops is something new. K's for kingfish, a flash of teal, diving for fish with a dazzling zeal. L is for lark, up with the sun, singing a tune till the morning's done. N is for kite so rare and grand, tales of the jungle in far-off land. N is for nightingale singing at night, melodies drifting in soft moonlight. O is for owl, wise and round, hooting softly without a sound. P is for parrot, green and loud, repeating your words and feeling proud. Q is for quetzal, rare and grand, tales of the jungle in far-off land. R is for robin, chest so red, building a nest in the flower bed. Swan, swimming in style, neck like a ribbon, calm and mild. T is for toucan with a beak so wide, picking on fruit with jungle pride. U is for umbrella bird, black and neat, with a fluffy crown and rhythmic beat. U is for vireo, small and shy, hiding in trees as you walk by.